What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In today's video I want to share with you guys how you can spot those beautiful trades. I mean, I don't know, it looks beautiful to me, but I don't know if it's gonna be a profitable trade or not. It's very simple, guys. Trade. So the way how you can see, we kind of made a low, a high, a low, a low, a low, a high, a low, a low, equal highs, high, low, and kind of we're moving up. We broke kind of this kind of high, make a beautiful kind of double top, and right now we're moving up. Enter a trade right around this candle, because I'm gonna delete that, and I will show you what I've been seeing here. I've been seeing here like this beautiful downside move, very aggressive move, very beautifully. So what I decided to do is, it kind of created a support. I don't really take a trade, because I was planning to take if it breaks this, if it breaks this candle high. The reason why, because this was the last kind of big candle to the downside. So we start consolidating. I was hoping that the price action was gonna come and break this high, and we'll take it to the upside. The reason why, because I've been seeing here like a kind of double top, double bottom. So I was thinking to break, retest, and move up. Unfortunately, it did not receive that. What instead happened, it went one more time to the downside, came here, start consolidating, break above, broke all this structure, even this structure, just a little bit. Came here to retest. I didn't see any big pushes to the upside, then big candle down, and then big candle up. When I saw this candle up, I entered a trade. How you can see, literally on this candle I enter right here. So right now I'm floating in profit. I enter here a trade, put my stop loss beneath this low, and I'm moving to this high, to take this high. So what we'll see is gonna be, if it's gonna be a profitable trade, it's gonna be beautiful 2.32 risk to reward ratio, and I will keep you guys posted how everything was gonna go. Guys, we're still in the trade. The trade is running in profit. It's not too bad. We kind of like almost a 1-to-1, something like that. 1-to-1. I'm pretty sure. I don't even know. I'm pretty sure this price action it might gonna go. It might gonna go to this point, to this high, because here is kind of like double top. So most likely it's gonna hit towards this high. So am I gonna still wait? I'm not sure if I'm gonna put my stop loss to break even. By usual, at 1-to-1, I do really move my stop loss to break even and taking half a percent off the table. So to be honest, I don't even know. I might gonna just put it there. So, but it's running beautifully in profit. I like it. To be honest, I like it. Very beautiful stuff. I'm gonna take a percent off the table. So I know, guys, don't laugh at me. I know it's not that much, but okay. I'm gonna put my stop loss to break even. Let me put my TP right above here. And I'm gonna put my stop loss to break even. And we'll see how everything was gonna work out. Talk to you shortly, guys. Hey guys, so sadly to say, but unfortunately the price action, literally I just took a 1-to-1 right here, and suddenly the price just reversed back on me. So it just came here, stopped me out. Still can't complain. I still was a profitable trade. I didn't make that much because, I made only some shitty 71 cents. here 20 cents, and then I lost by here $2 and here 1.80. That was yesterday. They didn't provide not even a one-to-one risk reward, but it is what it is, man. What I want to say is always take the profit, because you never can be sure where the price action will gonna go. If it's gonna go a one-to-one, most of the time just take the partials, take the 0.5% off the table, pay yourself, you know. But even just rise your win rate with the fact that you're taking a one-to-one partial and move your stop to break even. That's not only you making some profits, but you're rising up your how it's called, the win rate. So yeah, guys, let me just see. Yeah, so basically I move my stop loss literally around here and it stopped me out. I can't complain.